Hello beautiful people! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're traveling from Kandy City to Anuradhapura, the historic cities here in Sri Lanka. Dahil mahaba ang ating babiyahin, we decided to start from Kandy early in the morning, around 4:45 a.m. Bago mag 7 a.m., kailangan nating malampasan yung mga malalaking school dahil may pasok today para makaiwas tayo sa traffic. By the way, the travel distance is about around 135 kilometers and it usually takes about 3 to 4 hours by road depending on the traffic and weather. 5:30 a.m. na at sumisikat na din yung araw dito. Actually, mas masarap talagang magbiyahe ng madaling araw o mas maaga para iwas tayo sa traffic at maganda yung panahon, fresh, hindi nakakapagod, at saka hindi mainit. So this is what I'm saying, if we were late 30 minutes, we would stuck in heavy traffic. So dahil nalampasan na natin yung mga malalaking school, kaya dire-diretso na tayo at madaliin na natin para makarating na tayo ng mas madali, mas maaga dahil nag-prepare ang sister ni Sam ng breakfast. Approximately, nasa bahay na nila kami ng mga bandang 9:15 or 9:30. Oh my God, ang ganda ng view. This is what I'm saying. Oh my God, I love this trip. Did you see that lake? The old trees standing strong and the beautiful landscaping along the way. Oh my God. Sabi ko kay Matchan, maghanap muna ng place na pwede kaming mag-stop para makalanghap man lang ng hangin, para ma-enjoy yung weather, yung climate, yung lugar. O, diba? Ang ganda. Stop over there under the tree. So if you're traveling to Kakarawa or Galnawa Road, do not forget to stop and enjoy the place. Stop over for the break. Oh, be careful, be. My mother-in-law. Mama, smile. Stop over. This is the place of our Aka. Some sisters. How many minutes more?
45 minutes.
45 minutes more. Look at this place. Look. This is yours, babe.
Okay.
This is my monkey. And that's their monkey. Moy. Agoy moy na juga din ha sa mong uluhan. Nang hipos nami kay nagiduol nami sa mga monkey, mga unggoy. Nang hipos nami kay na ay mga monkey, dagan kayo sila. Gatak ko nun niya ami. Nasuko kay. He's angry why you don't give me a coffee. Guys, there's a lot of monkey in Sri Lanka, but they said they can be harmful. So if you want to take a photos or video to them, you have to be extra careful. They are wild monkey, but I'm not sure how about the temple monkey. They are wild as well. They are also wild. Okay, so if they saw you to carry this something bag, plastic bag, you have to run away. So we continue our journey and I think we're almost there. You know what? I can say that this is one of the best roads we've been traveled. As you can see, the trees are beautifully covered the road like an arch. along Bandaka, Batu, and the other area is for the rice.
Noted.
So we have banana already that side, banana, and we have also some of coconuts. Our mini farm. Ama. So bago kami dumiretso dito sa bahay ng sister ni Sam, dumaan na kami doon sa lupain nila at may nakita akong eto nga buko na namimiss ko sa Pilipinas. So pwede ko rin namang gawin dito ito yon at pinapatikim ko sa kanila. Lumalabas ang aking pagka-probinsyana dito. Ito yung hinding-hindi ko makakalimutan sa aking tanang buhay kasi hanggang ngayon simple pa rin naman tayo at mas masarap pa ding manirahan sa probinsya. So guys, pagkatapos nito, mag-rest muna kami at bukas natin ipagpatuloy ang ating vlog. Tayo ay pupunta mamamasyal sa kanilang historic city dito sa Anuradhapura. Thank you for watching!